Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. I'm Puritymike, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this beautiful look using MADAMGLOW cosmetics. I would be starting off with my MADAMGLOW full coverage matte foundation. Now guys, this is my favorite foundation at the moment. I love everything about this foundation. I love the consistency. I love how creamy it is and how well it blends to the skin. This is just beautiful. I mean, beautiful. So I'm just trying to blend this on one part of my face first before I go on to blend it on the other side of my face. Now guys, you see how seamless this just blends onto the face, like there is no stress at all. Now compare this side of my face to the other side of my face and you can see the difference. It is just beautiful. So I'll just go on to blend the foundation on the other part of my face. Due to the consistency of this foundation, I notice how seamless it blends to the skin. It is stress-free. I'm going to be using the excess product on my hands to just cover the spots I have on my neck, because the spots you see today, you shall see them no more with this beautiful foundation for MADAMGLOW. Right now I'll be using my MADAMGLOW liquid concealer, and I'll be using this to highlight beneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and also on my forehead. Now one thing I really love about the MADAMGLOW concealer and also the foundation is the fact that it is lightweight, and having a foundation and a concealer that is lightweight and is full coverage is just the bomb, and MADAMGLOW cosmetics actually gives you that bomb. So I just went on to blend the concealer properly onto my face, just pressing the product properly into the face. Now guys, you see how beautiful this skin work is. Like there is no stress in blending the foundation or the concealer. It's just beautiful. Right now I'm going to be using a darker shade of the MADAMGLOW liquid concealer, and I'm going to be using this to contour my face, using this on my cheekbone and also on my nose to give you guys the illusion that I have a slim nose. To set my face, I'll be using the MADAMGLOW powder, using this shade that is a shade lighter than my actual shade, and I'll use this underneath my eyes just to set the liquid concealer. To highlight my brow, I'll be using my liquid concealer for MADAMGLOW, the same shade I used to highlight, and I'm also going to be using some of my foundation shade still for MADAMGLOW, because I like using a lighter shade, which is the liquid concealer for the brow bone, and then my exact shade, which is the foundation for the rest of my brows. Using the excess concealer I have on my hand, I'm just going to be using that on my eyelid to serve as a base for my eyeshadow. So for this look, I'll be using two of the MADAMGLOW eyeshadow palettes. I love how colorful these eyeshadow palettes are. And on this eye look, I'll be using the gray shimmery shade, the purple shimmery, the brown shimmery shade, and also the brown nude shade. I went on to use the light brown matte eyeshadow first on the outer corners and blended it to the inner corners, and right now I am using this shimmery shade just after the matte brown shade. On the other eyeshadow palette, I'll be using this purple shade just after the dark shimmery shade that I used earlier. I'm just going to be blending these together, try to make everything look unified. Okay, I went on to add a white base, and right now I'll be using the silver shimmery shade for my MADAMGLOW eyeshadow palette. I went back into that dark shimmery shade to just blend everything together. I went on to use the blue shimmery shade and the purple shimmery shade for my waterline. Right now, I'll be using my MADAMGLOW matte powder to just set the rest of my face. And guys, when I say this powder is flawless, it actually is. It literally just helped blend everything and just make the face look smooth and flawless. I love, love, love. I'm also going to be using my MADAMGLOW eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the blush shade right here as my powder blush. you will see how beautiful this powder blush is on my face. Yes? Okay, it's okay. One thing I also really love about this eyeshadow palette is that it contains everything you need, from your eyeshadow to your powder blush to your highlighter. Girl, this is all in one. I love it. I went on to do my lips, and this is it for this video, loves. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming. I'm going to be leaving the link to Madam Glow Cosmetics on the description box down below in case you want to purchase any of the Madam Glow cosmetics. Trust me, you are not going to regret any of it. So loves, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye.